Hi everyone, my name is Jamie and today's video is an introduction to my brand new channel. On this channel I will be teaching you the basics on how to cook some incredible dishes. I will be teaching you some new skills, some new techniques and some secrets of the trade. A little bit about myself, I am 20 years old, I do live in Scotland. I have worked in 2 incredible hotels and I've learned a lot from my head chef, who is still my boss to this date. My current position is a demi chef de partie. I've been doing this since October 2017. I'm coming up to my 5th year of being a full-time chef. But that's a little bit about me and what I will be doing on this channel. So if you want to see some certain recipes, be sure to drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to fulfill your request. Again as well, if you have any questions about what I do, how I'm going to be doing it, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. So I hope to see some comments, some suggestions, because I'm quite stumped for my first video on what I'm going to do. It might just be some basic knife cuts like julienne, brunoise, macedon, mirepoix. Then I'll probably go into some stocks, some sauces. So if you want to see that, be sure to drop a comment down below. So yeah, pretty much this is what I'm going to be doing on this channel. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so your recipe does not get missed. I'll really appreciate it if you drop a like on the video as well, just to get that video up on the algorithm, get it out there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, any comments, any questions, any recipes, drop it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.